How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 27, base unit shelves. Let's start. Duplicate base unit 1 door from our previous tutorial. Copy and paste and rename the file base unit shelves. Okay, open the file, delete the door panel, delete the module, delete the void extrusion, then go to family types. Let's delete the door on off parameters. Okay, delete the module on off parameters. Then delete the door width, delete the full handle width, and delete the door finish, delete the full handle finish, and the module finish. Okay, go to reference level, delete the shelf depth parameter, delete this reference plane, then delete this reference plane, delete this reference plane, select this reference plane, unlock the dimension, select again and change the dimension to 20 millimeter. Okay, next, align, select this reference plane, select the edge of the shelves and lock. Okay, select and lock. Next, select this reference plane, select this edge and lock. Okay, next, let's create an extrusion. Select the rectangle, align, select the line, lock. Okay, finish the extrusion, go to left elevation, move this arrow up, align, select this reference plane, select the bottom edge, lock. Select this reference plane, select the top edge, lock. Okay, go to front elevation, then select this reference plane, delete this reference plane and this reference plane. Okay, select the dimension, unlock, select the reference plane and change the dimension to 50 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay, select the dimension, unlock, select the reference plane, change the dimension to 25 millimeter, select, change to 25 millimeter. Okay, select the dimension and lock. Select the dimension, unlock, then change the dimension to 25 millimeter. Then select the dimension, lock. Okay, one more, select the dimension, unlock. Okay, then select the reference plane and change the dimension to 25 millimeter. Select and change the dimension to 25 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay, next let's create an extrusion. Select a rectangle, draw a rectangle, align, select this reference plane, select the line, lock, select, lock. Okay, finish the extrusion, go to reference level. Okay, move the extrusion. Okay, align, select this reference plane, select this reference plane, select this edge, lock. Okay, select this reference plane, select this edge, lock. Okay, go to 3D view, select the extrusion, go to materials and finishes, pick the button, and let's create a new material parameter and name it shelf finish. Okay, select the shelves, the two shelves, pick the button, select the shelf finish, select, then select the shelf finish. Okay, go to family types, let's move the parameter up. Okay, select a materials, pick the button, go to search, type oak, and look for oak white door. Okay, apply. Okay, then go to family types, let's rename this type to base unit shelves. Okay, then let's change the depth to 35 centimeter. Okay, let's make it 350 millimeter. Apply, then delete the rest of the family types. Okay, apply. Okay, then select this extrusion, the back panel, and select the shelf finish. Then save the family. Yes. Okay, insert, then let's insert a base unit, 2 drawers, cooktop. Okay, pick, then let's insert a base unit, 1 door. Okay, then align, select the side surface, select the side surface, select the surface, select the surface. Okay, select this unit and turn off the backsplash. Okay, select the base unit, one door, and uncheck the backsplash. Okay, select mirror, select the side surface, mirror, select the side surface, then mirror, select the unit, select the side surface. Okay, let's move this unit. Okay, select this unit, let's change the type, go to edit type, or change the 35 centimeter, and uncheck the backsplash. Okay, match properties, select this unit. Okay, next, align, select the side surface, select the side surface. Okay, select this unit, edit type, let's uncheck the backsplash, and let's change the base height to 0.06 meter or 6 centimeter, and the module height to 0.79 meter. Okay, next, select the unit, mirror. Okay, turn up the two shelves, select the unit, mirror. Okay, then select this unit, mirror, mirror, select the side surface, mirror, select the side surface. Okay, then let's add the base unit and panel. Okay, 2 centimeter wide. Okay, select the unit, let's uncheck the backsplash. Okay, align, select the side surface, select the side surface, select the side surface, select the side surface. Okay, select, copy, then edit type, duplicate. Let's make a type with a width of 2 centimeter. Let's change the width to 0.02 meter. Okay, align, select the side surface, select the side surface. Okay, select the unit, edit type, and uncheck the base on up. Okay, done. Thank you.